40 applications for one open role scattered across your inbox, and a couple of sticky notes. There is a calmer way to hire, and it fits in one file you own. This is the Job Applicant Tracker, and this is its dashboard. Open roles, the pipeline funnel, which sources actually produce hires, and your key metrics, all updating as you type. No pivot tables to refresh. Every candidate lives on the Applicants tab, tied to a role, with one colored status that moves them through the pipeline. New, screening, interviewing, offer, hired. Their average score, interviews, and days in the pipeline fill in for you. Here is what makes it more than a list. On the Scorecard tab, you rate every candidate 1 to 5 on the same criteria, and the workbook computes a single weighted score. Two interviewers' numbers finally mean the same thing, so you compare candidates fairly and the strongest one rises to the top. The Interviews tab keeps a dated log of every conversation, with an impression and a color-coded recommendation right beside your notes. And the Offers tab tracks each offer from draft to accepted, with salary and start date. Use it in Excel or LibreOffice, or click Make a Copy for a native Google Sheets version. Every dropdown, formula, and color is already set up. No importing, nothing to rebuild. Every dropdown reads from one Configure tab. Rename a department, add a job board you just started using, or reword a status. Change it once, and every tab follows. You can set the scorecard weights here too. It is an instant download. An 8-tab workbook, a worked example, and 4 guides, including a printable interview scorecard. Buy once, own it forever, no subscription. Links are below to grab yours from Ardent Workshop.